Good morning, traders. Welcome to our live trading session. Guys, today it's gonna be small problem for us to place some trades. I will explain that in a second. I'm not sure if we're gonna open any trades, but we can have a look at the charts. Maybe live session will be a little bit shorter, but I want to explain you why. Meanwhile, let me know if you can hear me, guys, on the chat. Okay, because today we got, I can say, a lot of high impact news in our calendar. What's going on today? Okay. Look at here. Economic calendar. In the morning, we had interest rate decisions in Japan. 8 a.m. we had unemployment rate in Great Britain. That was an hour ago. 1 p.m. we got interest rate decisions in Great Britain. Okay, so British pound, probably we're gonna leave British pound. 2:15, we got deposit facility rate and interest rate decisions in Eurozone. And after that, we got press conference. A lot of going on. But guys, we got news about Euro and GBP. Okay, so maybe it's not gonna be that bad. We will see. Because probably we can leave it. Let me just find a pen, because we're gonna probably leave Euro and GBP, but we got some other assets we can use. That's not a problem. So let me just write it down. GBP no, and Euro no. But we got some other instruments we can trade on, so it's not gonna be that's huge problem. No, we don't have any news from United States, so maybe it's not gonna be that bad, guys. Maybe it's not gonna be that bad. Let me just check something. Okay, yeah. I got some morning setups I can use because I use them every single day. I didn't show you those setups because usually by 9 a.m. I got some profit already. But today I cannot use it because of zone. I'm talking about US 500. I will show you that on a conference in Warsaw. I wanted to open position today, this morning, on US 500 to go down, but I'm just worried about this zone right here. I'm supposed to be in the trade already, but we got quite important zone here, so it's very risky for me and big question mark here. Maybe we're gonna drop down because we got space, but it's too risky for me, so I need to make sure that it's gonna work, guys. Okay, so let's start from our MT4 platform and let's see if we got any targets. Like I said, we're gonna leave Euro and GBP. So we're not gonna do that. We can check USD CAD. Let me just clear the chart, volume edge. Okay. And do we have any targets? These are standard targets from previous day. We don't have anything above the price. Okay. Nothing over there. For me, it looks bullish, guys. I think we're gonna go down a little bit more, maybe something like this, and there is a chance we're gonna go up. This pattern you will find in the investing books, this triangle, and it's working. It's still working. I know it's a old one, but sometimes I use it to place some trades, and I can say it's working. So I think we're gonna drop down a little bit more, but because we here got some space. But anyway, we are looking at the targets, not patterns from books. So we don't have any targets. We got one here and We got cluster, but I don't think we're gonna get there. 74 pips, so we're gonna leave that. We can check some other targets. Let's have a look at targets from 2 to 9. And we do have a target, guys, down the bottom. But we can see the price is moving up. Sorry, guys, give me a second. I want to check where is the target. Okay, I think we got space. Because if we look at higher time frame and we look at this, oh, we are breaking through, but it's okay. So we got some kind of pattern here, triangle, and there is a chance we're gonna break through. Maybe they're gonna break through now and they're gonna go straight up, maybe. But we are missing this part here. It's empty. So there is a chance they're gonna grab some liquidity and fake breakout here, and we're gonna go down. And if we're gonna go down, probably we should get to this target right here. So we're gonna focus on this target because it's looking quite interesting. Okay, I'm gonna copy the value to trading view. It's gonna be easier for us, for me, for sure. 37153, 37153, 37153, 3753. Let's copy that value, and this is our target. Target, good. And once again, I just want to mark some important zones. First of all, some liquid zone on the left hand side, because after they're gonna grab this liquidity, we can have some pullback probably. This is gonna be our buy side liquidity. And we got another one, which is a little bit lower, this one here. And we are about to enter the zone. And this is also buy side liquidity. Okay, because we got some zones, important zones, buy side liquidity, I'm gonna mark this triangle also because it may help us. Settings. Okay. And one more line right here. Okay. That's how it looks like. We got target down the bottom and we're gonna focus on this target. Let's jump into lower time frame. This is 5 minutes time frame, guys. 5 minutes time frame. Let me just put watermark so you know what instrument is that. Watermark was somewhere here, yeah. Okay, USD CAD 5 minutes time frame. Okay, because we got this target down the bottom, to be honest, I don't want the price to go higher, because if we're gonna go higher, this triangle doesn't make sense. Only if we're gonna drop down now, this will make sense, and we got some space here. Okay, so let's jump into 5 minutes time frame, and we're gonna add some trend line here from previous day. Not sure if we're gonna have enough space, guys. Because if we use this trend line, we're gonna have to wait for the price to drop down and break through. So here, not much space. So that's no good for me. I want to remove that. Probably we're gonna have to wait for maybe some pullback, so we can draw another trend line. And if we're gonna break through here, we're gonna have much more space to get to the target. But at the moment, this is the only trend line I can use. So this trend line for me, not enough, because we're gonna have maybe 12 pips. So it's too close. So we will see if we're gonna have any reaction going down, but I need some trend line. So at the moment, we need to leave it. Remember, guys, that we are in bullish market structure from higher time frame. Today also price is moving up, so we need to be careful with short positions, okay? I know there is a target, but we cannot focus 100% that the price needs to go down. No, they don't need to go down. We are in bullish market structure, and this target got around 80% chances that we're gonna come back today, but we still got 20% chances that they're not gonna come back here today. So remember about this as well, okay? Because we have target, it doesn't mean they need to go down. So we're gonna use this target only if we're gonna see specific situation right here. At the moment, I don't see place for myself to open the position, so we're gonna have to leave it for now. And I can save it, but we're gonna need some, maybe if we're gonna have some fail swing here. Fail swing, then we maybe we're gonna be able to add the trend line, and after the breakout we're gonna try to go down. Okay, but I need to see fail swing, I need to see another swing low right here so we can add the trend line, and then after a breakout we can open the trade because we're gonna have some space. So if we're gonna enter position here, probably our stop loss will be 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. But I'm looking for this situation. If they're gonna do something else, if they're gonna go up, you know, if they're gonna drop down straight, if they're gonna go straight down, I don't care. I'm not gonna use it. I'm only waiting for this kind of situation. Okay, so let's save this plan. We're gonna put that plan in the trading journal. Live session. Give me 2 seconds. I need to create a folder. New folder. Today is the 19th of March. And the first plan of the day is on USD CAD. 1 second. We have, no, we don't have USD CAD, and this is ASAP strategy. Okay. Let's move to trading journal. Okay. Add new trade. And this is USD CAD. We want to go down, strategy, ASAP, lot size. We don't know this information, so at the moment we need to put some random prices. We're gonna change that later. 19/03/2026, open time 01, close times 2, stop loss, not sure, somewhere around 10 pips. And risk probably 0.25. Okay, I'm gonna choose the file. Launch live trading sessions, 19th. Okay, and we're gonna save this plan. And this is the first plan of today. Let's have a look. This is our plan for US dollar and Canadian dollar. So let's wait for that situation. Now let's move forward to the next instrument. We got nice reaction here. You can see there is reaction, so it's not that bad, guys. We have reaction in liquid zone. Now we need to, for the price to drop a little bit lower, we need some fail swing, and then we're gonna look for short position. Okay, that's good. I like it. That is good. Maybe we can enter the position earlier. If we're gonna have nice information from volume footprints, maybe we can enter the trade now. Not really, no. I cannot see my pattern here. That's from 1 minute time frame. No, not really. Not really. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait for the fail swing then. Okay, so now USD CHF for reaction. We can check that. Let's jump into USD CHF. Let's see what's going on over here. I'm gonna remove the volume edge. We don't need that for now. Let me just clear the chart because it's a big mess right now. It's a big mess. Let's check standard targets first. You mean this target, but I think this target is done. The price nearly touched the target. The price was not even 1 pips away from the target. So for me, this target is already done. I don't look anymore at that target. So I'm gonna change hours. Let's have a look. And the same like on USD CHF, we got target down the bottom. But here we got less space, only 12 pips and no chance now to enter the trade. So let's leave it for now, okay? We are looking at ASAP strategy. We're gonna check smart money in a second. Let's go through all the trades right now, all the currencies. USD JPY. Standard targets, no, we don't have any targets from the previous day. We can have a look at the targets from 2 to 9. No, it's done also. So nothing to do from all in ASAP strategy, okay? Maybe from other one. Yes, maybe, but not in this moment. Look at these guys, nice. Why we didn't have this volume footprint information, guys? Why? No. But anyway, we can try to do something different, guys. This is only one candle. We're gonna wait. I've got an idea how to enter this trade different way, but we're gonna have to wait maybe 5 more minutes, okay? So we're gonna come back to this one. At the moment, let's check gold. Any targets on gold? Let's have a look. There is one target right there, but it's quite far away. So let's change some hours. We're gonna check 9 a.m. Yeah. We have target, but we need to be careful, guys, because when you look at the price action and trend, we are moving in a bearish trend, so the price is dropping down and it might be hard to get there. So, you know, we can try to enter the position, but we are in bullish trend, a bearish trend, so the price can go lower. But let's try. Maybe we're gonna find something nice. I'm not saying no. If we're gonna do full analyze, then I can say there's no chance, or maybe we're gonna have a chance. 485952. 485952. That's our target. Copy. Okay, we got target here. That is our target. So let's have a look at higher time frame, guys. USD CAD is going down. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait for the fail swing, guys. We need to watch at this. We're supposed to enter before, but I wasn't sure, guys. So, you know, no rush, no rush. We don't want to chase the market. I think we have a chance to get here because of this pattern right here. We got plenty of space, so I think we're gonna go down. We just need to find the right place to enter the position. At the moment, we got some kind of imbalance here, so maybe we're gonna have some pullback and fail swing over here. So we're gonna try to enter position to go down, but we need to wait for that kind of situation. Okay, now we got reaction. I'm not surprised because this is also some support resistance zone. right here. And we got nice reaction. Probably we got some volumes on as well. Yeah. We got break of sub volumes on. So, you know, there's still a chance that the price will go up. That could be just fake move. So everyone's thinking we're going down. Then they're going to go up and drop. Maybe like this. So we need to be patient, guys. Okay, gold, higher time frame, 1 hour time frame. Guys, I found it's hard to say this is rotation channel. It might be not, because we got only one reaction on this side, unless we had some reactions over there. Oh, we had some reactions. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, the price is moving in a bearish rotation channel from higher time frame. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. And guys, we are getting close to this liquid zone. I was talking about this liquid zone yesterday, and for me, it's a great place to enter the trade. If we're gonna get here, I'm gonna look for a long position. Why? Because this is liquidity zone. This is 4 hour time frame. Quite important liquid zone, because here that was very nice swing. And if we're gonna enter this area, we're gonna look for some long position. And this is also gonna be bottom edge of rotation channel, bearish rotation channel. So we're gonna have a lot of space to enter the trade. But first we need to get there, okay? First we need to get there. I want to go a little bit deeper into this liquid zone, because we had some... Oh, they close it. Okay. The gap is closed. Do we have any session? Sorry, point of controls. There was a reaction at point of control. Look at this. We had gap, point of control. Look at that reaction. Perfect. But anyway, there's no imbalance. There's no gap on fair value. Okay. All right. So yeah, because we have this liquid zone right here, nothing under this liquid zone, no imbalances, no point of controls, nothing like that. So the next stop will be here. I don't think we're gonna get that low. First, probably we're gonna have some pullback, but you never know. This is gold, guys. Okay, template. This is sell side liquidity. Okay, so yeah, forget about it for now. Let's focus on this liquid zone. And we can probably use the targets. We are not too far, guys. Look at this. We are not too far to get to this zone. When we're gonna enter this zone, we're gonna look for some long position from here. So first of all, I'm gonna look for reaction, and we can look for reaction from 1 minute time frame, guys. Yes, sometimes when I see nice liquid zone and the price is entering, usually nothing happens, you know, the price stop or something like that. But sometimes, if this is nice liquid zone, when the price entered the zone, there is reaction straight away. So I'm gonna look for that reactions probably from 1 minute time frame, and I can enter the trade aggressive from 1 minute time frame to go up. Plenty of space, guys. So yeah, we are not too far. 700 pips. But today we done already 1,500, so it's fine. We're gonna wait for that, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna look for the trade. I want to check if we have any volume level down the bottom. No. No, we don't have it. No. Okay. That's fine. Let me just have a look at 4 hour time frame. Yeah, this is volume zone. Look. We had quite big volume right here, and I'm not surprised because the impulse was quite strong. And this is somewhere around our liquid zone. So yeah, definitely we might have a chance to use this zone to go up. So when we're gonna enter, I'm gonna look for 1 minute time frame to go up, maybe even to the target. We need to wait for this one. Save gold. So yeah, two different options. First option, guys, when we're gonna enter this area, I'm gonna jump into 1 minute time frame. If I'm gonna have two strong candles, I can enter after two strong candles, stop loss under, and maybe target will be take profit will be at the target. Or I can wait for the price to drop 5 minutes time frame, some imbalance left behind, wait for pullback, reaction, and then. So we got two different options here, a more aggressive and a more safe option, because sometimes we can see something like that with imbalance, then the price will drop. They're gonna grab some liquidity from this low because some traders, not only we are looking at this liquid zone, trust me, so they can make a fake move, then they're gonna cut some stop losses and they're gonna make real move. That's why from 1 minute time frame is good to, if you're gonna enter from 1 minute time frame, and if you're gonna have one-to-one risk to reward already done, secure the trade for break even, just in case they want to go down, cut some stop losses, if yes, and re-enter the position. Okay, so gold, yeah, it's looking nice. What about USDC AD? We got reaction here, pullback, reaction, 1 minute time frame. Let's get prepared, guys. USDC AD. Come on, where is it? Oh, here there is a gap. Do we have a gap over there? No, not really. Strange. Doesn't matter. Advance order, risk mode value percent, 0.25. And points, minus 10. We still need to wait. It's a little bit too early, guys. We got to 50% of imbalance, but remember, guys, this is volume zone and this is support resistance zone, so we need to be careful. See? Let them go a little bit higher. We are ready, so don't worry, few more minutes. Few more minutes. So we got USDC AD, we got gold, crude oil. Crude oil, I can say it's looking pretty good. And it looks like we could enter the position right now. But it's too early. We need to first do some analyze, but it looks like we can go 1 to 2 risk to reward. Like this. I'm talking about this kind of range, guys. If we have this kind of range, we had some impulse range, and usually they're grabbing some liquidity from this side, and we can see continuation. But here is a little bit different. We got some kind of range from the morning, and you can see the price went down quite fast. That's what I like, because people thinking we're going down and then reverse. Okay, reverse, and now I think it might be good moment to enter the long position. We can look for another confirmation. We can add this simple trend line to make sure they want to go up. Because we had imbalance, inverse imbalance. Price came back. They close it. Nice candle. For me, it looks bullish. We got volume level here. It's good. Yeah. Looking pretty nice, but I can't see the power of buyers, guys. We are still in this range. That was nice candle. What can I say? It looks bullish. And grab some liquidity right here. This is 50% of bullish rotation channel, guys. Look. Oh, what is this? This is rotation channel? What the heck? So this is not 50%. We are around bottom edge of rotation channel, so maybe it's a little bit too early. Maybe they should go a little bit down, but we need to make sure the rotation channel it's okay. So let me just clear the chart. Remove. Let's do it properly. We got 1 week right here. We need precision because that's important here. I'm not sure, maybe like this. Let's have a look how the top works. We can leave it like this. It doesn't matter if it's gonna be like this or a little bit higher. It doesn't really matter. We can leave it. Just thinking about the bottom of this rotation channel. And we still have some space down here. Maybe we should wait. I'm a bit confused. We can go up now and they can still drop down a little bit. At the moment, for me, it's looking bullish, this kind of situation here. It looks like bullish, but I'm not sure, so I think I'm gonna hold on. If we want to go up, the best if we can close above this trend line, guys. So we're gonna be more sure about the direction. But at this moment, I have to say no. We're gonna come back to this one. Okay, the US dollar is still going up, so we are still waiting for fail swing. The risk of this trade is that if we're gonna have fail swing right here, and we're gonna enter the position. If we're gonna enter it here, it's okay, because when we're gonna get to volume zone, we can secure the trade for break even. But if we're gonna enter somewhere here, it's gonna be a bit risky trade. So let them go a little bit higher. So we're gonna have more space. Gold slowly getting there. And the risk of this trade is, this is range, guys. To enter the position in this kind of range is very risky because we are still in the range, right? So the price can go up, down, up, down, up, down. That's how it can looks like. So this is like 50-50 at the moment for me. And I need to be more sure about this trade. At the moment, not really, not yet. Still in the range. We need to break through. Probably maybe something like this, and then we're gonna try to enter. We'll see. But at this moment, no. We will see. I'm gonna save it. It's better to have a plan than not. Save, and we're gonna wait for that. USD/CAD, come on. Maybe they just want to close this imbalance, but I think there is a small gap here. Yes, no? Yes, there is. Here, guys, there is a gap. Not sure if you can see that. Let me just zoom it in. Look, this is a gap. This is also gap candle. So there is small gap because this candle finished here and the next candle reopened here. So this is the tiny gap. So maybe the price is going up to close it and then we're gonna have reaction. And this is nice area for us. If we're gonna have a reaction here, that will be perfect. Okay. Tiny gap. This is 1 minute time frame. But why not? You see, this is 5 minutes time frame. The gap is here. This is also gap candle, and when we got gap candle, price like to go up. We'll see. So we're gonna look for this place here. If there's gonna be nice strong reaction, we're gonna enter the trade. This also can be our fail swing. Okay, so yeah, it's looking good at this moment. Just needs a few more minutes. But now we can change the plan. It's gonna be very similar, but now I want to see the price getting here and nice strong reaction, and we're gonna have plenty of space before we're gonna enter the volume zone. And we can put, sorry, here, nice candle going down. So we're gonna enter the position, stop loss, and take profit. Look, we can get 1 to 3 risk to reward, and this is much better now. What is this? The USD/CAD P.S.A plan number 2. Yes, we are about to enter this zone. Look at this, guys. Nice. Yeah, that's what I thought. We got breakout, but we're still in this range. So let them get to this imbalance, and after reaction, we're gonna try to go up. Okay, this is USD/CAD. They are coming to the gap. Good. Crude oil 0.25 points. This is also some kind of support resistance zone. So yeah, after reaction now, I think we can go. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Let's wait for the candle to close. We need to be careful. Do not enter too early. Wait. It's looking not that bad. Let's wait one more candle, maybe from 1 minute time frame. It's looking good. It is looking good. Delta is -12 and someone is pushing the price up. That's very good. That you can see still with the wait. Not yet. Whoa, USD CAD, they are going up. So no, our plan not gonna work because we are breaking through here and probably we're gonna go much higher. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. They can go up much higher. It's not gonna work now, but we can have a look at crude oil. Look. Oh, we have a gap here. Maybe they want to close it. Yeah, probably. Yeah, this might be nice place. This one here. Look so close to this liquid zone. I would prefer to see them going down first here to this imbalance, but you know, we don't need to. Come on, few pips lower, guys. Okay. Oh, crap. Come on, I know they want to go up. Come on. Let them close this gap and then we're gonna look for the trade. Come on. What's going on with USD CAD? Oh, now they're going down. Okay. Okay. Maybe. Not saying no yet. Gold up. Crude oil down. All right. So now in this area, this gap, we need to see strong reaction. I'm gonna go to 1 minute time frame. Maybe we're gonna switch to here, and I want to see what's gonna happen in this area right here. I think we can put a little bit smaller stop loss somewhere around this low. Could be enough. Yeah, we are entering the zone. Yeah, we enter it, and now we need reaction. No reaction yet. No, no reaction, guys. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah, we now got reaction now. Yeah. I need to see candle to close, you know, at least from 1 minute time frame, because yeah, you see there was reaction, but there is a weak. Come on. Come on, guys. We want to make some profits. We need some reaction. Come on. And the price, you know, is bouncing from exponential moving average, which is good. This candle, no good. Maybe next one will be fine. Yeah, we have reaction. Go on. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That's why we are waiting for the candle to close, guys. That's why. No, this candle looks like we're gonna go down, not up, from 1 minute time frame. Come on. Move it, guys, move it. We need to remember that we got some double top here. And if the market is going down and we got double top, usually it's telling us that we might see some continuation of this bearish move. If they're gonna go down, good, because if we're gonna reach bottom edge of rotation channel from higher time frame, I will look for the trade to go up. So if not from here, I will look for the trade from the bottom edge of rotation channel. Right here, guys. Let's do this. So price to drop, and here I'm gonna look for long position. You see, that's why I'm waiting for the candle to close. Because sometimes candle is looking like bullish, like this. You are thinking, whoa, they are going, a lot of buyers coming. Okay, I'm gonna join the market, and this candle is gonna finish like that. Bearish. So that's why we are waiting for candle to close, okay? To avoid situation like this, like that. Okay, we still have a chance to go up. Now, if we're gonna have nice reaction, we can try to go up, but you know, this area is also interesting. USD CAD is going up. Is going up. It's not looking the best. It looks like for me, if they're not gonna go up now, I'm pretty sure we're gonna drop somewhere here. Because that could be just fake breakout. Yeah. Come on. Up, up, up. Oh, it's 4 to 10, guys. I think we're gonna finish right now. I'm still looking for this trade. If we're gonna have nice reaction, probably I will enter the trade to go up. If not, like I said, I'm gonna look for the price to drop to the bottom edge of rotation channel and then to go up. We got a few other plans also. Canadian dollar, not really, but gold, if we're gonna get here, we are not too far. I'm gonna look for long position for sure. So yeah, that can be good. So guys, we're gonna move to Discord channel. I think Tomek's gonna have live trading session on Discord channel. So we need to finish because this live trading session is going to start in 3 minutes time. But here we are not too far from opening position. We just need to see nice reaction. Let's wait. Let's wait 1 more minute. Come on. Yes, it's looking much, much better. It's gonna close like this or higher. I think we can enter the trade. Stop loss here. Delta minus 46 and the price is going up. Nice. I like that. I like it. Guys, yes. Come on. Yeah, if we're gonna close here like this, we got 24 seconds. We can open the trade. Nope. Funny. Very funny. Okay, probably we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer, guys. Maybe 1-2 more minutes, but we need to finish because the live session is about to start. So, yeah, this candle, if it's gonna close nicely, 5 minutes, I think we can open the trade. I'm gonna watch this 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys, that's it. I think I'm about to enter the trade. Just maybe one more candle, so 30 seconds. Let's wait. I'm gonna open it and then we can go. 20 seconds. Come on, go up, not down. Oh, come on. Not yet. Okay, guys, we're gonna finish. I'm gonna watch this, but I don't want to enter the trade too early. Okay, guys, that's it for now. We're gonna move to Discord, so I will see you later also at 2 p.m. So thank you guys for today, and I will see you